In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add SSH key to GitHub. We'll walk through adding an SSH key to your GitHub account directly from a repository page, so you can authenticate securely without typing your username and password each time. SSH keys come in a pair: a private key you keep on your machine and a public key you share with GitHub. You'll need your public key ready to paste. If you don't have one yet, generate it on your device first, then follow along here. Start on the GitHub repository you want to work with. On the main repository page, look near the top for the green code button. You may also notice an Add File menu nearby. That's for creating or uploading files and isn't needed for SSH access, so keep your focus on the code button. Go ahead and open the code menu. In the code pop-up, switch to the Local tab. This tab shows the different ways to clone the repository to your computer. Select the SSH option, so GitHub shows you the SSH URL. If you haven't linked an SSH key to your account yet, you'll see a prompt or link to add a new public key. Click the link to add a new public key. GitHub will take you to your account's SSH and GPG key settings page. On the SSH and GPG keys page, choose New SSH Key. You'll see a form with a key type, a title field, and a key field. For key type, select Authentication key. This is the correct choice for cloning, pulling, and pushing over SSH. There's also a signing option, which is for signing commits and tags, but that's not what we're setting up right now. With Authentication selected, click into the title field and give the key a descriptive name, like the device it belongs to, so you can recognize it later. Next, click into the key field and paste your public key. It should start with SSH ED25519 or SSH RSA and end with a label. Make sure you paste the public key, not the private one. Never share your private key with anyone or paste it on any website. When everything looks good, select Add SSH key. You may be asked to confirm your action for security. Approve it, and GitHub will save the key to your account. That's it. Your account now trusts your device for SSH operations, and you can use the SSH option from the code menu on your repositories to work securely and conveniently. If you ever rotate devices, repeat these exact